Modal verbs help express willingness, ability, and obligation. Today we focus on will for willingness. Will shows when someone wants to help others. It makes offers and promises. Will also shows decisions made right at that moment. Use will plus the base verb to offer help politely. Say, I'll help you with your bags. Say, I'll carry that for you. Say, I'll open the door. These sentences show immediate willingness to assist someone. Use will for decisions made exactly when speaking. In a restaurant, say, I'll have the chicken. When someone forgets, say, I'll call her now. When cold, say, I'll close the window. These decisions happen instantly. Will expresses strong willingness or intention. Say, I will help you with the project. The structure follows subject plus will plus base verb. Use will for offers, promises, and moment decisions. Use will to make strong promises about the future. Say, I will call you tomorrow. Say, we will finish on time. Say, she will support you. These show firm commitment and personal assurance. Use will for future plans decided at speaking moment. Say, I will water the plants later. Say, she will visit her parents next week. Say, they will join us for dinner. Will emphasizes current decisions. Practice filling blanks with will. Say, I will help you carry the bags. Say, don't worry, I will fix it. Say, we will meet you at the airport. Say, she will call you later. Say, they will support the team. Say, I will finish the report. Will expresses willingness, offers, promises, spontaneous decisions, and future plans. Structure uses subject plus will plus base verb. Practice offers like I'll help you. Practice promises like she will support you. Practice decisions like I'll call him now.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.